Okay, okay. So now we have received that email. Okay, we just received that email. So let me just refresh this one. So if it has created the record, right, the record number, we will see it in the target field. Okay. So this is the number that is actually created, demo incident number. So that number should be updated here, but not really sure why it hasn't updated the record here in the target.
It's the reference field, right? Uday, target field.
Yes, yes.
Maybe that one we need to define in.
I don't think, no, not required. So we will check whether the record has been created in the demo incident table or not. So no record has been created. No record has been created. So we need to understand. We need to
So
understand.
email generated, but record is not created, right, Uday?
Yes. See,
Okay.
email ServiceNow has received that email. Once ServiceNow has received that email, it has to trigger the inbound email action that we created. So we have created the inbound email action, right? So this action should be, the script should be triggered. Once it triggers the script, right, it will create a record. Okay. So script has been triggered, but not really sure why it hasn't created the record. We'll give a try one more time. So first we will have to check on the demo incident form, we are passing all the mandatory fields or not. So we will do one thing, we will deactivate the business rules we are created.
But Uday, using scripting, we won't business rules. Using scripting also business rules will run. Only we have seen only data policies will run, right?
Data policies will run and before business tools also will run before creating the records.
Okay.
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 So this is the record that we created, right?
But we have not passed the configuration item right from the script.
Yes, yes, yes. All are inactive, which is good. So what is the data policies actually about? So caller and affected caller both are not empty. What is the assignment group is mandatory. So we are not passing assignment group, right? So rather than what we will do, we will actually deactivate this data policy. Then our email inbound email action will be triggered whenever you send an email. So did you guys understand why the inbound email action is not triggered? Hello? Are you guys able to understand why the inbound email action is not triggered? Huh?
Yes, but even we have not passed affected caller, right? So that is empty.
We are
So-
passing affected caller, right? See, here we are actually passing affected caller here.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine, yeah.
So then
Mm.
we must pass assignment group, right?
Yeah, correct.
So here we are not passing any assignment group. So that is why it is not accepting to create the record. Data policy is actually throwing some exception saying like assignment group mandatory, something like that. So in that case, we have actually inactivated the data policy. Now we'll just send one more email.
Can't we see what data policy is saying, like this is mandatory, like any logs?
Yeah, we can check in the email logs.
Okay.
So I sent an email. So we haven't received the email yet. This is actually 9 minutes ago. It will take some time to receive that email, guys. Okay, okay, guys. See, if you take a look at here, user ID is actually...
Your voice is not clear, Uday.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
So here it is actually showing Uday Gadiparthi name as user ID here. This user ID has the email address that I am sending an email. See, udaykishore522@gmail.com is actually my email address. Okay. So from this email address, I'm actually sending an account, right? Email, right? So that is why here it is actually showing the name as Uday Gadiparthi. Suppose I'm actually sending an email to the ServiceNow system from random email. Okay. So here, if that email address is not there in the ServiceNow user table, if that email address that you are sending an email, if that email address is not there in the user table, so user ID will be shown as guest here. Okay. Okay. Now let me just open this one, email log. See here, demo incident record that is created here.